Good morning, my dear children. How have you been? Yes, very good. Today we are going to learn a new story. The name of the story is Don't Leave Your Work for Tomorrow. So you have to don't leave your work for tomorrow. This is the name of the story. Don't leave your work for tomorrow. So this story there are two major characters. One is Hat. H-A-R-E, hat. Look at the image. Next one is tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. So these are the two important characters in the story. Let us see the story. Children, let us read the story. Don't leave your work for tomorrow. This is the name of the story. Let us read the story. Once in a jungle, the animals decided to have a cake baking competition. So what is mean by jungle? Jungle means forest. So in a forest, the animals all decided to have a cake baking competition. A big prize would be given to the winner. So the winner going to get the big prize. Let us see what's the gift. A free trip to Disneyland in America was also offered in the prize. So there is a big trip to the Disneyland in America was also offered in the prize. All the animals were excited about the competition. So look at the image. All the animals were very much excited about the cake baking competition. Everyone wanted to go to Disneyland. So every animal wanted to go to the Disneyland in America. Even the hare and the tortoise wanted to enter the cake baking competition. So even the hare and the tortoise wanted to enter the competition of cake baking. The next day, the tortoise brought a good recipe book for baking cakes from his friend. So the tortoise got a book from his friend for the cake baking competition. So the next day, tortoise bought a good recipe book from his friend. The hare said to the tortoise, "Why are you worrying about the contestant so soon? There are many days left for the competition." So the hare said that, "Why are you hurrying for the cake baking competition? So there is lots of days for the competition." The hare was making fun of the tortoise. He could not understand why the tortoise was thinking about the competition so soon. The tortoise could not understand why the tortoise was preparing for the cake baking competition. He making fun of the tortoise. There was much time, but the tortoise kept on preparing for the competition. There was much days left for the competition, but the tortoise kept preparing for the cake baking competition. So the tortoise chose a good recipe from the book. So the tortoise chose a good recipe from the recipe book that he got from his friend. He made a list of the things he needed. First, he take a list of things that he needed for baking the recipe. Bought from the market. Then he bought the things from the market and baked the cake 2 days before the contest. So the tortoise baked the good recipe of the cake 2 days before the contest. The tortoise also decorated the cake with the colorful candles on it. Then the tortoise decorated the cake with colorful candles on it, and he sent the cake for the competition much before the last day. So he sent the cake before the last day. On the other hand, the hare spent his time in playing with his friend. But the hare spent his all time playing with his friend. Just 2 days before the competition, he decided to bake the cake. So just 2 days before, he decided to bake the cake. There was much work to do, but there was much work to do. he had to think of a recipe for a quick and easy cake. Quickly, he ran to the market to buy the things needed to make the cake. Then the hand quickly went to the market to buy the things that are needed to bake the cake. But there was no flour and no sugar in the shop. But there was no sugar and no flour in the market. The hare requested the fox to arrange the things. Then he went to the fox and asked for help and to arrange the things that are needed for baking the cake. At last the hare started to bake the cake. At last he started to bake the cake. But it was not fluffy. But the cake was not fluffy. It was flat and lumpy. The cake was very flat and lumpy. In his hurry, the hare had forgotten to add the sugar. So the hare was in hurry so that he forgotten to add the sugar in the cake. There was no time to bake another cake for the competition. But there was no time to bake the another cake for the competition. Now the hare was very upset and started crying. Look at the image. Now the hare was very upset and he started crying. The tortoise won the first prize. Who won the first prize? The tortoise won the first prize. He baked the best cake. Who baked the best cake? The tortoise baked the best cake. The sad and the depressed hare watched the tortoise proudly receiving the prize. The hare watched the tortoise who got the first prize proudly. Everyone applauded the tortoise. So everyone applauds the tortoise. Here applause means clapped. So every animal clapped the tortoise. So what is the moral? You must do your work on time. Whatever it is, you can do it today. Don't leave it for tomorrow. So like the tortoise, you have to do your work today. Don't leave the work for tomorrow. Have you all enjoyed the story today? Yes, very good. So you have to keep these points in your mind. You must do your work on time. So you must do your work on time. Whatever you can do today, don't leave it for tomorrow. So you have to don't leave your work for tomorrow. You should always be well prepared for the coming challenges. So you should always be prepared for the upcoming challenges. So you have to keep all the 3 points in your mind. So this is the moral of the story. So you must do your work on time. Whatever you do today, don't leave it for tomorrow. You should always be well prepared for the coming challenges. Hope you enjoyed the story, children. We will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.